Hey there, it's Bill Herman with BillCreates.com and the Entertainment Experience. Thanks for checking in on another one of our videos. If this is one of the first videos you've seen, or the first video you've seen, it's probably because we've made this one public. Normally you have to go to BillCreates.com and then sign up for the newsletter to be a part of these videos, my little rants or our training videos or whatever you want to call it. Lots of people like these videos, and I wanted to make another one today. Yet I had a question posed to me by one of my students and colleagues that I've been getting a lot lately. So I thought this would be a good video for everybody. The question is, do I need a coach? Do I need a mentor? Well, if you're asking that question, more than likely, yeah, you do. In fact, I think that anyone who wants to move forward in what they do and who they are as a person, as a performer, as a businessman, really needs a mentor and a coach. I mean, a mentor is someone you can look up to, someone who's more successful than you, or at least as successful as you would like to be, but you're not sure how to go there. Well, a mentor can help you with that. A mentor you can go to for advice, a mentor you can learn from, okay? Now, a coach, even better. Reason why is because a coach can help make you move towards your goals. They help you stay true to your promises, the promises that you have to yourself about what you want. Because the truth of this is that anything you want is possible. Anything, okay? Anything you want in your life, anything you want in your business, anything you want as a performer is completely possible. But, you see, no man is an island is a true statement. To go out and try to get it on your own is next to impossible. That's why all the most successful people have a community of people around them to help them move forward to their goals. And the best way you can do it with the most velocity is to find yourself a mentor and to find yourself a coach. Now, how do I know this? Because I've had a lot of mentors and coaches over my life. My father is probably the one mentor that I've had in my life my entire life, and a very strong mentor and coach for me. I had a radio mentor who got me into the business and helped me move forward. Okay, I've had vocal coaches and acting coaches and all those things that have made me kind of who I am as an actor, okay? But in the last 20 years, and which is what you're probably most interested in, the person that's had the most influence on me as a disc jockey, which is what you're hoping for, right? There's only one person, and his name is Mark Farrell. Mark Farrell is my friend, but he started out as my mentor, someone that I was looking up to. First time I saw him, I was in a sea of people watching him speak in Las Vegas. He moved me with what he had to say, and I saw possibilities for who I could be just in his speech. So I took the time to look him up, to seek him out. It was hard to find the guy. It's not like he was out there making himself available as a mentor and coach for people. He was just very successful, right? Well, I found him, and he became my mentor, thank goodness, and my coach, keeping me true to the promises of the things that I wanted. I was making $500 every show. Now I make as much as 10 times more than that. Why? Why am I standing here as the owner of BillCreates.com? Why am I standing here as a respected member of my business community, of my wedding community here in the Twin Cities and abroad? Why am I standing here as a disc jockey who is now a disc jockey who does weddings all over the world, all over the country? Because of the relationship and the coaching and the mentorship that I've gotten from Mark Farrell. Now, the nicest thing about what's going on now is if you want to get that same mentorship, it's a lot easier to find him now. Because of all the people that he's touched and moved and inspired, we've all convinced him to do the same for more people. So, he's got a website called markfarrell.com. Disc Jockey America. You've ever heard of that? That was Mark Farrell. The Disc Jockey America podcast, the DJA radio podcasts. But you can find him now, and he could be your mentor and your coach with the coaching that he does, with the Marbecca Method workshops that he has. All of these things I am still a part of. Why? Because this man is one of the most outstanding, most inspiring human beings that I've ever had the good fortune to know. And because of him, I have not a part-time job as a DJ while I work as an insurance agent during the day or a waiter. I have a profession. A profession. I am a professional full-time disc jockey. Can you believe that? I'm a single operator and I own a house because of it. I'm a single operator, one show per night. I do about 30 shows a year and I have 3 cars and a boat. I live on a lake in a small suburb of Minnesota and I get travel all over the country to do weddings. And I am that person because of the relationship that I've had with Mark Farrell. He's amazing. You need to get to know this guy. The easiest way is to go to markfarrell.com. But once you're there, he's an open book. He's kind, he's generous, and he cares about not only you, but our industry. So go to markfarrell.com, seek him out on Google, find him on Facebook, shake his hand in Las Vegas when you go there for the conference. Find this guy. It's amazing. If you don't find Mark Farrell, that's okay. But you do need a coach. You do need a mentor. The nice thing about Mark is he's doing it in the industry that you feel passionate about. So do it with this guy, markfarrell.com. Now, if you want to know more about what we do, it's billcreates.com and the entertainment experience. You can sign up for our newsletter and get more videos like this. You can check out our workshops and things and the coaching that we do. But I am that because of this person. So seek out Mark, markfarrell.com. You will not be sorry.